So the rule here is if we have a negative base inside the parentheses raised to an odd power, the answer will be negative. If we have a negative base inside parentheses raised to an even power, the answer will be positive. So let's start off with negative 1 cubed. And we know that the answer is going to be negative, but let me show you why. It'd be negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. Using the double dagger method, two negatives become a positive, so they kind of cancel each other because 1 times 1 is 1, it's positive. And then we're left with just negative 1. Now let's try it with negative 1 to the 4th power, 4 being an even number. That's negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. Doing the double dagger, bam, bam, and then bam, bam. So that answer is positive 1. So notice negative number inside parentheses raised to an odd power, answer is negative. Negative number inside parentheses raised to an even power, answer is positive. Let's see if it holds for a number other than 1. Let's do negative 2 to the 3rd power. So that's going to be negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Using double dagger, bam, bam. So this comes out to be 4. So the 2 times 2, that is, and then times that negative 2 here, that would be negative 8. So notice, even if it's an even number raised to an odd power, if it's a negative inside parentheses raised to an odd power, answer is negative. Lastly, let's go negative 2 raised to the 4th power. That would be negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So first, let's work out the signs here. So using double dagger, those two negatives become a positive. These two negatives become positive, so we know the answer will be positive. Then 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 16. So this rule applies. Negative base inside parentheses raised to an odd power, answer is negative. Negative base inside parentheses raised to an even power is positive, regardless whether the base itself is even or odd.